How to lose weight fast? One of the most searched questions on the internet. The answers and the tips that you get might be overwhelming, confusing, and too informative. So, to make it easy for you, I summarized and came up with 14 tips using my personal experience and my client's experience. These tips worked for us extremely well. Do you want to shed those extra kilos? This one video will address all your questions. Let's get to it. 1. Stop counting calories. Until unless you have a special requirement due to health or if you are an athlete, actor or model, etc. Don't be obsessed with counting calories. Instead, pay more attention to the quality of your food. Remember, high quality means minimally processed. Processed foods and sugary drinks cause the biggest weight gain. So, include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, seeds and nuts in your diet. 2. Avoid processed and junk food. Also, reduce sugar and salt intake. Heavily processed foods have high levels of added sugar, salt, and saturated fat, which leads to serious health issues like obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and so on. If you are determined to lose weight, then you should avoid all these. And you can substitute sugar with jaggery or honey and reduce the intake of salt. 3. Eat what you want and when you want. It may sound little odd to you, but yes, by doing this, you can control the temptations and curb the cravings. As we are surrounded by so many food options, we tend to eat more and end up gaining weight. Then we start doing different kinds of diet. We restrict our calories. We have to give up our favorite foods. Then we give in to temptation again. So, to break this cycle, eat what you want and when you want and relish every bite of it, but in moderation only. Compensate this with the pre or post meal by reducing the calories or burn those extra calories by doing some extra activity. 4. Hide unhealthy food. Remember the thumb rule that out of sight, out of mind. Generally, we crave for unhealthy snacks more when they are easily accessible. So, hide all unhealthy foods in the top covered shelves and surround yourself with healthy snacks. 5. Include more protein in your first meal. If you are not getting satiety after having your meal or always feel hungry, then you need to add more protein. It reduces the levels of hunger hormone ghrelin. So, include a protein-rich breakfast like boiled eggs, sprouts, yogurt or chicken, etc. It will hold you up until lunch better than a breakfast full of carbs. Also, protein supports your muscle and bone health, stabilizes the blood sugar levels, boosts your energy levels. It also improves your ability to learn and concentrate. What else do we need in the morning? 6. Drink lemon water more. All of us know that lemons are full of vitamins, especially vitamin C. Lemon water is one of the best recipes to lose weight. It hydrates the body, helps in digestion, helps prevent kidney stones, and improves your skin quality. So, include lemon water or lemon infused water throughout the day. 7. Drink green tea. Green tea is loaded with polyphenol antioxidants, including a catechin, which will help in fat burning and promotes weight loss. Also, it has a lot of health benefits like it stabilizes the blood sugar levels, improves digestion, protects against many diseases like cancer and diabetes. So, drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily. 8. Consume apple cider vinegar. This magical vinegar can do many things for your health. It is a natural laxative and it can improve digestion, promotes weight loss, reduces belly fat, improves symptoms of PCOS, lowers blood sugar levels, and improves heart health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. Apart from health benefits, it also reduces the cravings and gives satiety, which in turn helps for weight loss. Take 15 to 30 ml or 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it once a day 30 minutes before the meal. 9. Drink more water. Studies show that drinking more water throughout the day helps you lose weight very fast. And keeping hydrated is crucial for health. It lubricates the joints, improves skin health and performance during exercise, regulates the body temperature, and many more. Prefer infused water instead of sugary beverages. Drinking water before meals also reduces appetite. When you feel hungry, first drink 1 glass of water because sometimes you may be confused thirsty as hunger. It is recommended to drink minimum 8 glasses of water per day. 10. Try 4x4 meal plan or intermittent fasting. 4x4 means 4 meals per day spread out roughly every 4 hours, like having breakfast, lunch, mid-snack and dinner instead of having 6 meals per day. By doing like this, you are giving enough time to digestive system, and especially a busy person like you can manage easily with 4 meals. Intermittent fasting is one of the best ways to get weight loss along with many health benefits. Easiest variation of IF to start with is 16:8 ratio diet, for example, in which you will be having 2 meals in 8 hours of eating window and fasting for 16 hours. 11. Break your diet deliberately once a week or once in 10 days. Our body adapts anything quickly. So, to give the change, you can have cheat meals now and then. But remember to compensate with pre or post meal by reducing the calories or burning those extra calories by doing some extra activity. 12. Exercise regularly. Sometimes it's hard to find motivation to exercise regularly or may not get enough time to do it. But if you're determined to lose weight fast, then try to do workouts at least 4 to 5 days a week. Include walking, jogging, cycling, HIIT workouts, and weight training for 2 to 3 times a week. Weight training is equally important as cardio workouts because it helps to maintain muscle mass and bone health. Most of the women have misconception about weight training that it makes them bulky. No, it won't. Women don't have the testosterone hormone, which will help in getting bulky muscles. So, don't worry and add it to your workout regime. 13. Get rid of stress. When we are stressed out, we tend to eat more sweet and salty foods, which affects our metabolism and causes weight gain. The stress hormone cortisol stimulates fat and carbohydrate metabolism for fast energy and stimulates insulin release. This will lead to increase in appetite and can cause cravings for sweet, salty and high-fat foods. For men with elevated cortisol levels, body produces less testosterone leading to decrease in muscle mass. So, doing exercises regularly will help reduce stress. Also, include yoga, breathing exercises and meditation in your workout regime. 14. Get proper sleep. Studies have found that poor sleep is associated with weight gain as it affects the hunger hormones ghrelin and leptin and the stress hormone cortisol. Also, poor sleep may decrease your resting metabolic rate. Growth hormone is active in the sleep. Your cells reproduce and repair. So, 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep is very important. Do you have any tips on how to be fit or lose weight fast? Leave them in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.